Adopt the 4-point kneeling position. Position your hands slightly in front and wider than your shoulders, keeping your elbows soft. Maintain a neutral spine and your lower abdominal muscles and pelvic floor engaged at the correct level. Keep your head lifted in line with your spine. Inhale to prepare. Exhale as you tilt your tailbone down towards the floor, starting to lift your abdomen and ribcage and rolling your head towards the floor to form a C shape in your spine. Inhale to hold. Exhale as you reverse the C curve, tilting your tailbone upwards and lengthening the crown of your head away. Draw your shoulder blades down your back to keep your neck lengthened.